I'm here today to talk to you about how Proteus MMX integrates with OpenBlue. There are two main data points with which Proteus MMX will communicate with OpenBlue: assets and work orders. If you look at the tree structure on the left, this is the asset data we have taken directly from OpenBlue. During the initial synchronization, this tree is constructed based off of existing hierarchies within OpenBlue. Furthermore, if any changes occur in the future, they will also be reflected here. The second data set we collect in Proteus MMX are work orders. These are gathered from the Service Manager in OpenBlue. By having a real-time connection, we are able to generate actionable work orders in Proteus MMX that are a direct result of work orders created in OpenBlue. Here you can see we have work order numbers that match those within Proteus MMX. To summarize, a work order is created in OpenBlue and automatically syncs with Proteus MMX. In Proteus MMX, anytime an action is performed on one of these work orders, that work order will automatically become a service request in OpenBlue. Here you'll notice the status of this service request is WIP, indicating work in progress. As work progresses in Proteus MMX on the actionable work order, and it is eventually closed out, it will gain the status of closed, meaning all work is completed and nothing else needs to be done. We believe that this tight integration will allow for a much more effective and complete service to customers with better results and detailed history. Thank you for viewing this brief demonstration.